Yeah, hello everyone. So this is Sujeet Patel, and again I am back with day 7 Informatica Cloud Data Quality tutorial. So let's try to understand what the agenda we have for today, and then accordingly we can go for practicals and all. So at one screen we can see what are the different matrices we have, and we can take the action. Okay. So we'll have millions of data in real-time project. We can see all the matrices in one screen here itself. So suppose let's try to open any data search country. Let's try to create a dictionary from this data profile. So we can see we are getting the country information. Where is the country? So for country, we have this value. Belarus, Bulgaria, Canada. Canada came 2 times, 2% of that. So Solomons Island came 4%. Length is this, okay? So about all the country data, whatever we have, we are getting this information so that we can understand like which country information used what, how many times, what is the percentage weightage we have, and the length of that. Okay. So by that way, you can basically analyze all columns. So apart from country, if you want to analyze other value also, like other column also, we can analyze. Like if you want to analyze, suppose you want to analyze, let's take other value like this subscription date, right? So on this subscription date, means which having the more frequency, like which subscription date being used multiple times in the data. So that we can see from here, like this is used 2 times, this is used 1 times, like that. So we can also analyze the subscription date. Back to summary, we can go to summary, same like this, you can analyze, suppose company. So in company, what kind of value we have? So these are the company name we have, these are the frequency percentage, length, okay. And here we can see we don't have null value, distinct value. So these are trends. If you run this kind of profile multiple time, then you can see the trend of this different value over here. So since we have executed 1 time, so that's why we are seeing 1 dot. But if we have a kind of multiple executions of profile, you can see the trend here. Okay. So suppose you want to utilize this company detail for some of the kind of data validation. If companies are coming from this list, then you are understanding that your company value is valid company. So how you can utilize this value as a dictionary? So for that, we can come here, export values to dictionary. We can give some name like for dictionary, we can give DIC underscore company list, okay. So yeah, company list here, you can select the location where you want, yeah, you pick our project and save it. Value range. So in value range, suppose if you have huge value, so you can select, do you want all value, do you want selected value, or do you want unique value, non-unique value? So you all can select, okay. For me, I want all the value, whatever I'm getting for that, that company. I want to keep that in this dictionary, and I want to use this dictionary for validation of the company value. You can just do the export, okay. So you can see this dictionary got created. And if you click on this dictionary, then this dictionary will open and we can see the values within the dictionary. Okay. So these are the value we can see. Okay. So similar to that, let's try to create the dictionary for country list also. So for country list, again, we need to go back to summary, go to country. And we want that whatever country list we are getting, we want to utilize this country list for kind of dictionaries to validate the country information. Same thing, you can go to export. Here you can give some name like DIC underscore country list. Okay, here you can select the location. So we want to save this object over here. Here again, you can select the multiple options. So if you want, you can take only the unique values, distinct values, export it. So if you see here, we got the country list dictionary got created automatically. If you want to create such dictionary by yourself, so definitely you can do from this data quality. You can come here, new, and you can directly click on this dictionary. You can give the name of this dictionary, anything, and then you can create, and even you can export and import the data through this dictionary. So we'll see that. So for time being, we got this list of the countries in this dictionary. If you want to edit, you can click on edit. And here, if you want to add some columns, let's add some columns. What is this? Add row. So basically from this, we can add the extra row. So let's go to definition. This is definition we have, who created, and whatever that configuration we have this. From that, we can download to a file. From this, we can import. So